Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'm going to use settings as an example for this, and once you have it open and visible on a screen, let me just get back to it. So once you have it open and visible on a screen, you want to do a 3-finger swipe down. And as you can see, it captures a screenshot. It also gives you a scroll or send option in there. Scroll can be used in content that can be scrolled down. As you can see, it will start scrolling it down, so it captures from the top that you started and will go down as far as you want to. You can tap on it to prevent it from scrolling automatically, and you can do it yourself. And once you're satisfied, you can select done, save, and this will now save that screenshot. Now, additionally, you can also do a button shortcut by holding the power key and volume down at the same time. And it has, as you can see, the same effect. The 3-finger swipe down is much simpler. So, once you've captured your screenshots, you can find them in your gallery application right over here. Let's go to albums. And in here, as you can see, it created a screenshot album. Once you click on it, it shows you all the screenshots. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.